So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Swastika from Swastika's Lifestyle. So today I'm going for a coffee date. It's not a coffee date, it's a cafe. Sorry for that. And the thing is, the cafe is not in North Kolkata or in South Kolkata. So far we have visited lots of cafe which is from North and South. But today's cafe is a pocket friendly, budget friendly cafe which is near Auxilium Convent School, Domdam. So first you will have to go by train or metro, whatever, to Domdom Cantonment, and after that you will have to take auto or toto and say Auxilium Convent School. Opposite Auxilium Convent School, the cafe is situated. It's a very new place, so I have just got this video, one video actually. I have just got one video and got this new place. So I thought I need to inform this thing to you all guys, because why I'm only getting this all opportunity? Why not you guys? So let's go. And this bag which I'm taking today for my outing, I have taken it from my Instagram page. I'll be mentioning the Instagram page in my particular vlog. Just check it out from there. So let's go, and I'll be continuing the vlog of food quantity, and the actual place where I'm going, the ambience and the food. Is it photogenic or not? Definitely. So stay tuned with me. The most important thing which we used to ask for any cafe or restaurant, is it for outing, for friends or special one? Yes, definitely. This place, I have already connected with the owner of this place sometimes before, and he has told me if you wanna have some anniversary celebration or birthday celebration, definitely you can do it. Just say them how you wanna prefer your decoration. That's it. And second thing is, do cup chai tomage chai. This is the very common lines for Bengali for us. And the thing is, whenever you wanna visit some cafe, you wanna spend some day with, spend some evening, not a day, sorry, spend some evening or spend some daytime with your partner, with your friends, just to have a minimalistic basic chai, coffee, or a sandwich or burger. So this is absolutely like that. It's not a high rated cafe. It's not like you will have to take matcha, cappuccino, like that. You can have your small masala tea or coffee and lots of gossips by sitting at the cafe. So this location is near Auxilium Convent School. So let's go. Cantonment, have to go through this way. This is the Toto and Auto you will be getting from Calcutta Cantonment Station, 30D station stand, and these auto and Toto will be going to Auxilium Convent School. Auxilium Convent School, and this is our destination. This is the school, and this is our destination cafe. So let's get entered. So today I visited with my mom, and this is the cafe actually. Let's get inside. I think this is Bengali inspired cafe. Guys, as I have told you, this is the Bengali inspired cafe. It's actually like that. Just see its painting. These are all drawing and paintings. বাংলা যখন আমরা মনে করি তখন নন্টে ফন্টে ঠাকুমার ছবি এগুলো আমাদের চোখে আসে. So this is absolutely like that. Just see all the decor. Victoria Memorial yellow taxi, which is a nostalgia of Bengali. So if you want to visit something like that, it's a very cozy place. Just come over here. This is near Cantonment railway station, 4 to 5 minutes of walking distance. Just come over here. You will be getting your first perfect destination over here. That's it. And I'll be giving food review and food quantity, everything. We'll do some celebration for birthday anniversary purpose. Just connect with the owner. He will be arranging as per your recommendation. And definitely it's a very cozy place, but try to come before 6, because as it's a very small place, so it's get gathered very soon. So yeah, that's it. Otherwise, as per my recommendation, please come over here at least for once. Those who are coming from Virati, Bengoria, Parashat, this is a very nearest location, nearest cafe as per my recommendation. So please come over here. This is a very new place for 1 or maybe with some month delay. So I will be sharing other details too. Stay tuned with my chassis. For perfect evening, you can sit over here and having tea, coffee, sandwich, combos, whatever is available. It's a very pocket friendly or budget friendly cafe as per the menu card, whatever I have explored till now. So at least once please come and test it. So guys, if you are thinking to come over here for your friends, family or any celebration, just visit it once. And Momo, as of now, as we have got the information, Momo is not available today, but if you have come some bit of early, you will be getting it, don't worry. So that's it, come at least visit once. অনেক তো নর্থ কলকাতা সাউথ কলকাতা হলো, এবার না হয় একটু 24 পরগনাসের উপরেই চাই আমরা। our first item which we have ordered, this is the milk tea. Milk tea নিয়ে আর কি বলবো, this is as usual, yeah, it's a bit of thick, that's it. কেমন টেস্ট? So guys, see the inside fillet. It's awesome. Yeah, ভেতরের মাছের ফিলেটটা খুব বেশি আর টেস্টি মাছের ফিলেটটা খুব বেশি আর বাইরের কোটিংটা অতিরিক্ত থিন. It's not much of it. Just now I have tasted the fish fry. It's really awesome. This is fresh lime soda, so refreshing. Now খেয়ে বলো কিরকম, কেমন, রিফ্রেশিং? 2 3 স্টার্ট। হ্যাঁ, চিকেন আলাদা ঠিক করে হ্যাঁ 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 পারফেক্ট। So this is the butter which is getting melted. Oh my god, this is the chicken sauces inside. So guys, এখানে আসলে প্লিজ এই চিকেন আলা গিফটটা একবার হলেও ট্রাই করো, টেস্ট ইট. And this is the thick mashed potato and some veggies. এখানে আসলে প্লিজ এটা একবার ট্রাই করো, বাটারি মেল্টিংটা সত্যি ইন্টারেস্টিং এবং সত্যি খুব টেস্টি. টেস্ট করো কেমন? It's a new item for my mom, so I think she likes it. Oh my god, yeah. না, তোমার ওভারঅল এক্সপিরিয়েন্স বলো, ক্যাফেটা লোকের ভিজিট করা উচিত? খুবই ভালো, আর খাবার কোয়ালিটি যেরকম ভালো, ডেফিনেটলি অ্যাম্বিয়েন্সটাও তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ. হ্যাঁ, একটু ভিড় হয়, বাট আশা করি ক্যাফেটা এই লেভেলে ভাইরাল হয়ে গেলে ভিড়টা আরও বাড়বে. সো আমি এখানেই আজকের ভিডিওটা কমপ্লিট করছি উইথ দিস বিউটিফুল অ্যাস্থেটিক ক্যাফে. বাই, টেক কেয়ার, লাভ ইউ অল, উইল বি মিটিং ইন নেক্সট ভিডিও. তব তক के लिए